Hey friends, this is a guided Hormesis method breathwork session where we engage in vigorous breathing, where we focus on fast-paced and deep inhalations and breath holds, both on empty lungs and then a shorter one on full lungs. This is the perfect session to energize yourself and reset your nervous system, to balance your emotions, relieve stress, and get this high energy but calm state of mind. Let's get started. First, make yourself comfortable. I recommend lying down with your feet elevated or sitting down with an erect spine. Get aware of your breathing first. Notice how your belly or chest rises and falls when you breathe. Don't change anything yet. Just get aware. Now slowly expand your inhalation, breathing deeply into the belly, expanding it to all sides. And then in a wave-like motion, taking your inhalation up to your chest and upper chest. Then letting it go through the mouth, passively. Inhale deeply into the belly, taking it up to the chest and letting go. Continue this way. We start nice and slowly. Gradually expand your inhalations. Take your last full inhale. Let go. And hold your breath. Relax your body and embrace the inner stillness. While diving deep into your consciousness, become an observer of your sensations. Accept whatever comes up, but then let go again. Take a full inhale. Hold. And let go. We're going to start the second round. Slightly increase your breathing speed, but still try to inhale fully and deeply. Take a last full inhale. Let go and hold your breath. Dive deep into your consciousness. Feel the effects of the deep breathing in your body. Accept who and what you are right now, in this moment, in time and space. You are here. Feel this presence and let it radiate through your whole body. Take a full inhale. Hold. And let go. Go back to vigorous deep breathing. If you want, you can increase the pace again, but know that you're in control. Whenever the breathing gets too intense, know that you can always slow down. Take your last full inhale. Let go. And hold your breath. Feel the energy from the breathing surging inside you while you embrace the stillness around you. Be open and curious about whatever surfaces in your consciousness. The strong breathing can release old blockages or bring up strong emotions.
Don't fight against it. Let it be. Accept the feeling and let it pass through you.
Take a full inhale. Hold. And let go. And again, return to vigorous deep breathing. Go at your own pace. Take your last full inhale. Let go and hold.
Now dive deeper into your consciousness than ever before. Let the emotions and sensations wash over you and pass through you with an accepting mind. What will remain is a stronger you, clarity and focus. True strength comes from within. Feel that with every fiber of your body.
Take a full inhale. Hold. And let go. Return to a regular breathing pattern. I hope you enjoyed this session. You can return to this practice anytime you want. And if you want to know more about different specific breathing techniques, I have created a 15-day brand new breathwork course. You can find the link in the description. See you next time. Bye.